Nice large scale map of Vietnam there with various points of interest. You've got the Ai Drang, Da Nang, Hamburger Hill, Khe Sanh, which is obviously my favourite video. And we've got Đắk Tô, 875 where we're going today, all pretty cool. So this is much more concentrated. This is the area where we spent all the time. You've got Đắk Tô number 1, Đắk Tô number 2, top right hand side. You've got the Rocket Ridge, pivotal in the Battle of Đắk Tô. You've got Ben Het 18 base and Hill 875. Standard Google Maps shows you Đắk Tô number 1 top right, Đắk Tô proper down by the left. Why did I call it proper? I don't know. Weird. Just two. It's called 2. Anyway. Oh man, I hate doing this narration. It's just weird. Anyway, just enjoy the video. I've added quite an apt tune to the drone section. People like the music. So there you go. Crack on. Vietnamese army base was just over here. So I'm actually walking on what was the runway, and I'll fly over it in a second and see what we've got. There was a geezer on a moped over there, but I'm sure once it's up in the air he won't know. So yeah, so at the moment this is what Đắk Tô number 1 looks like, and it just used to run straight down there. There we go. The actual tarmac there.
In this dirty old part of the city where the sun refused to shine, people tell me there ain't no use in trying. Now my girl, you're so young and pretty, one thing I know is true: you'll be dead before your time is due. I know. Watch my daddy in bed at night. Watch his hair been turning gray. He's been working and slaving his life away. Oh yes, I know. You're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, yeah, you'll be dead before your time is due. Know it. Watch my daddy in bed at time. Watch his hair been a turning gray. Yeah. He's been working and slaving his life away. I know he's been working so hard. Somewhere, baby, somehow